So guys, what up? Good afternoon, bow. Nandito kami ni Sab-Sab ngayon sa Slowly. Nandito kami ni Sab-Sab sa may
Manok ni Kanok Guwapo.
So guys, view ng Compuestuhan Looks guwapo ah. Yeah. Mayroon doon kangaroo. Mayroon doon kangaroo. May kangaroo. Mayroon doon monkey, gorilla. So looks guys, so beautiful. What's up? Ooh, cable tray. Cable tray ito eh. Ay, hindi kurente. This is giant chicken roaster. Nan. Nok ni Kano Guwapa.
Baba na tayo.
Hindi.
Mama Mercy.
Uy, Mama Mary. Divine Mercy. Yo, may Mercy daw, Divine Mercy looks.
Dito.
Wait lang. So may masunod. So we will go upstairs pa. Punta napit na mataas na tok-tok ng kanutan. Oo, sirado anak. Let's go. Slowly ah. So akit naman guys. Wow, oh my God. So kami lang ni Sab-Sab. Yeah, we will go there after. Uy. No, this is rooms upstairs. You cannot go up. This is hotel. Okay, this is hotels. Let's go. Because only overnight guests are allowed. So we will go down again. Ito yung aming short banding ni Sab-Sab kasi pabalik pa sa Saudi. Yay! Grabe.
This is Manok ni Kanok Guwapo.
Manok ni Kanok Guwapo.
Guwapo.